A healthy lifestyle is important. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good from the inside out. When you take care of your body, you take care of your mind too. It helps you feel good. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can boost your mood and reduce stress. Surrounding yourself with positive people can also enhance your well-being. It gives you more energy. Physical activities like hiking, dancing, or even a brisk walk can invigorate you. The more you move, the more energy you'll have to enjoy life. It can help you live longer. Staying active and eating well can add years to your life. It's never too late to start making healthier choices. Small changes can make a big difference. Simple actions like choosing fresh vegetables, staying hydrated, and walking instead of driving can lead to significant improvements in your health. Start with one small step, then add another. Take the stairs, prepare a nutritious meal, or save energy. Each small step builds up to a healthier lifestyle. You don't have to be perfect. Every little bit helps. Celebrate your progress. No matter how small, you can do it. Believe in yourself and take it one day at a time. Make healthy habits part of your routine. Start your day with a series of morning stretches to wake up your body and mind. Incorporate a balanced breakfast that includes fruits, vegetables, and proteins to fuel your day. Don't forget to take your vitamins to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. These habits will help you feel better. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Keep a water bottle with you at all times and make it a habit to take regular sips. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels and overall health. Water is good for you. It keeps you hydrated and helps your body function properly. After any physical activity, make sure to replenish your fluids by drinking water. It aids in digestion, keeps your skin healthy, and helps regulate your body temperature. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Get enough sleep to allow your body to recover and rejuvenate. Set a consistent bedtime and wake-up time to regulate your sleep cycle. A good night's sleep is essential for mental and physical well-being. Sleep helps your body rest and repair itself. It also plays a crucial role in memory consolidation and mood regulation. Make your bedroom a comfortable and relaxing environment to promote better sleep quality. It helps your mind recharge. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation or journaling into your daily routine to reduce stress and improve focus. Yoga can also be a great way to combine physical activity with mental relaxation. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine that helps you wind down, such as reading a book or listening to calming music. Avoid screens before bed to improve your sleep quality. Take breaks during the day to refresh your mind and body. Short walks, stretching, or simply stepping outside for a few minutes can make a big difference in your productivity and overall well-being. Get up and move around regularly. Incorporate light exercises into your daily routine, whether it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator or doing some stretches at your desk. Physical activity helps to keep your energy levels up and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. This will help you stay alert and focused throughout the day. Regular movement and hydration are key to maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your overall health and well-being. Eat a balanced diet. This is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods that provide the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. This means eating a variety of foods. Incorporate different types of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. Choose fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain high levels of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, which can be detrimental to your health. These foods are often high in sugar and unhealthy fats. Regular exercise is important. Exercise helps to maintain a healthy weight, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and improves your overall mood and energy levels. Aim for 30 minutes most days of the week. This can include activities like walking, jogging, yoga, or joining a fitness class. Find an activity you enjoy. Whether it's hiking, dancing, or cycling, doing something you love makes it easier to stay active. You're more likely to stick with it. When you enjoy the activity, it becomes a fun part of your routine rather than a chore. This consistency is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Mental well-being is important. Take time for yourself, do things you enjoy, spend time with loved ones, connect with others, practice gratitude, focus on the good things in your life, manage stress in healthy ways, try exercise or meditation.